going on, Moon Gang? I wanted to make a quick video to talk about the potential benefits of Dogecoin being an inflationary currency. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll also be doing a very quick technical breakdown of the Doge because it looks like it's about to break out. So if you were able to catch my interview with Matt Wallish yesterday from the Final Stand, we talked about Dogecoin, and one of the things that I was always confused about it was like the negative was that there could be theoretically an infinite amount of Dogecoin, and which sounds super inflationary, and I always thought that was a bad thing. And Matt was able to say that, hey, Elon actually came out with some information that might be good. And then on top of that, Matt, you can find his channel at Final Stand, actually was talking about the transaction speed and the cost of it and how that's actually a benefit for Dogecoin. And I dove into it a little bit more and I found this information, and I'll link this article below. I just wanted to go over the highlights. Elon Musk says Dogecoin's high supply relative to Bitcoin can actually be an advantage. So basically on Twitter, of course, Elon was talking about how the joke cryptocurrency, Dogecoin, being inflationary, but not meaningfully so, gives it an advantage over Bitcoin. When I read this, I was like, wow, that sounds pretty interesting because that's the main argument against Dogecoin. Doge appears to be inflationary, but not meaningfully so. Fixed number of coins per unit of time, whereas Bitcoin is arguably deflationary to a fault. And this where it comes in with transaction speed and cost of Dogecoin should ideally be a few orders of magnitude faster. So basically, just for you who want the specific numbers, 5 billion new Dogecoins can be created every year. In contrast, Bitcoin has a capped supply of 21 million coins, 18.6 million of which are already in circulation. So to my understanding, and please, if I get any of this wrong, don't hesitate to say, hey, Matt, think about it this way. I'm trying to spread the proper and accurate information. But here's one argument about why Dogecoin, the fact that it's inflationary, but apparently not meaningfully so, is beneficial to it. So right now, 18.6 million Bitcoin are already in circulation out of the total 21 million. As we get closer and closer to 21 million, to my understanding, the transaction times will go up. Like the speed will go, the speed will actually decrease and the cost will go up. But on the other side, that won't happen with Dogecoin. The transaction speeds will be very, very quick, which will also, a secondary benefit is that the speed will be fast and the cost will be very low, which is in stark contrast to Bitcoin itself. So I'm no economist. I'm not a financial advisor. Please don't make any financial decisions based on what I'm saying. But I just thought this was an interesting counter argument to the whole, don't be involved with Dogecoin because it's inflationary. Some people are arguing that it will benefit the transaction speed and cost. I thought that was cool. A little bit of food for thought. And then from a technical perspective, potentially more interest, right now, as I'm filming this, just so you know, it's on April 19th. Dogecoin's looking very, very strong. It's trading just below 40 cents a coin. Over the past week, it's up 229% from the start of the year until right now. It's up an amazing 8,356%. And from a technical perspective, I just needed to bring this to your attention. So if you were to crack open any technical analysis book, what we're seeing right here is a almost picture perfect cup and handle. Here's the cup. Here's the handle. So basically, it's a big U followed by a smaller U. And then on this third test of 42, 44, 44.8, we can expect a breakout. Remember, there's always a counterexample to any technical pattern out there. I'm not in any way guaranteeing that this will break out, but statistically, when you look at this pattern of a cup and handle, typically it's a very, very bullish one. So if you happen to already be in Dogecoin, I think there's a good technical argument that there should be a big smile on your face. In terms of the technical price levels I'll personally be watching, I'll be looking for Dogecoin to break above 40 cents on a considerable amount of volume. I want to see how it reacts to a test of 42 cents. And then from there, we just have this previous high from April 19th. Earlier today at 44 cents. And then, of course, we have the all-time high at 44.8 cents. From there, I think the next obvious test will be 50 cents, just a key psychological level. And then past that, we have the whole argument of or not argument, but really the social movement of Doge to $1. So I'll be watching 50 cents, followed by 69 cents, which I think will be important because this community, they're all about the lulls. Past that, 75 cents, technical level. And then I think $1 will be a very important technical and key psychological level. Don't forget that I'm filming this on April 19th. I keep saying that because it's very important. Tomorrow is April 20th, also known as 420. Right now, Dogecoin to $1, Doge Army, Doge 420, like all of those things are trending on Twitter right now. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see some sort of volatility within this cryptocurrency tomorrow, because right now it has a lot of social following. And no matter what anyone says, for Dogecoin, the lulls, it seems to be very beneficial for it. So I'm highly interested in seeing how this all plays out. I would love to get your thoughts on Dogecoin in a comment below. What do you think about this inflationary thing, like being a positive aspect of Dogecoin? And what do you think about it in the short term? Because to me, it looks like it's about to break out and rally. I would love to get your thoughts in a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you could drop a like. And if you want to stay in tune with the Moon Gang, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any of the new pieces of content, go over that bell icon, click on it, and switch it to always. Until I catch you next time, from me and Cher, best of luck in the markets.